Sairam.
My name is Chaitanya Kumar. We are studying 6th standard.
Today my project name is Power Supply.
Power supply is the most important in the railway. Railway is the coal canal. Coal canal supply in the coal. Coal is the crusher. Crusher make the powder, dust coal powder. Powder is the mainly come in the boiler. Boiler is 650 degrees in a turbines coal. Burning coal. Burning coal is a hot. Hot is the smoke. Smoke in the mainly come in the chimney. Chimney is the earth in the smoke. Boiler stemline is the earth turbines. Earth turbines rotating in the gravity. Gravity is the power. This is the turbines. Turbines water lines is the coal towers. Cool towers. Cool towers minus 2 degrees in the cooling. This is a water is one house and supply the water. Thank you.